Hey guys, I know that it's been a while that I don't post, but I supposed to have posted a few videos like showing myself building this computer, but I had a few like a technical problems. I lost the some of the footage that I did. So yeah, unfortunately I had to skip that. But I just wanna give you guys like a review of the Tower 300. Like I've been having that for the last, don't know, year, maybe a little bit more. So for the ones that saw my previous videos, like here on the left side, we have the 4090. So the 4090 is assembled with the blocking water cooler. We have like the big reservoir in front of it. To be fair, like I tried to fit the reservoir in the left side over there, but I couldn't find room enough. And then at the back we have the motherboard along with the RAM memory and CPU, which is pretty much standard. In the right side here, you guys can see like the fans along with the radiator. So I did everything myself. Like I used flexible tubes. I didn't use the hard ones because you don't have that much room to work around the case. It's like, guys, it's a beautiful case. Like I have to say, it's a very beautiful case. I like it, but it has a few headaches, let's say, like that. Let's put like that, right? So for example, the LCD screen, it doesn't work. Like that's the only thing that we're gonna see. And every time that I want it to make it work, like you have to unplug and plug again. It's pretty annoying, and then it works pretty fine, but then when you shut down the computer and turn it on again, then it becomes like that. So yeah, that's pretty annoying. Like I tried to fix that many times, change cables and software upgrades, but yeah, if I want that to work, I have to open it, connect, and there you go. I'm gonna show you guys later. You guys see that the motherboard stays in the vertical, right? So if you see here at the back, you see like a bunch of cables going in, right? So this is the headache. Like you don't have easy access to the motherboard. So if you're a guy that keep plug and unplug stuff, it's gonna be like a very annoying. I'm gonna show you guys how is it done. So first things first, you have to take it out everything that you have on top of it. Like I had a ball here as a decoration, but it didn't block like at the top side, because the top side you have some fans where the air is going to go out. So the air comes from the side where the radiator is, and it goes out by the top, right? And you also have some fans at the back. I'm going to show this to you. But it's pretty much like you take out everything that is on top. You have to unplug anything that it is here in the USBs and the ports. And when taking the top out, you have to be very careful, because like it's not easy to break, but also it's not hard. So you need to know what you're doing pretty much. So it's pretty much just pop that out. There you go. Okay. Then you expose the fans. So you see like you have pretty much all the two fans here, right? And you still don't have room to go to the motherboard. I don't know if you guys can see from here, but the motherboard is over there. You have a bunch of cables coming in, and then you still have to open that. So I don't tight those screws that much, because I want to be able, you know, just to unscrew like that with my hands. Yeah, and then you lift the top. And here, guys, you still have to be very careful, because I was replacing some stuff, and then I put that up, and then I released, and then it dropped down and broke one of the fans. So it was a big headache, because then you have to take the screws off, and then you have to unplug the cable, etc, etc, etc. So it's pretty much, you lift that up, you hold with one hand, and then you have access to the motherboard and the GPU as well. So if you're a guy that you need to keep like plugging and unplugging stuff from your computer, for you that's gonna be a nightmare. Yeah, just FYI. So then you have to pass the cable through, you know, and then plug that in your motherboard, and then there we go, you're all set. So guys, as I said, like, it's a very cool case. I like it a lot. I still think that at some point I'm gonna move that reservoir to the left side over there where I still have some room, but like I'll have to do a lot of tube management. I'll have to buy a new reservoir, and so far so good. So I don't want to change that, because since I put everything together, like, I've never had any leaking, any problems, anything. Like, sometimes I have to move the computer here and there. Of course I don't do that often, but yeah, everything is very tight. There is no leakage, there is nothing. Like, everything is working perfectly. So let's light up this bad boy. Just press the button here, and then all the RGB colors come on. You have here some RGB in the fans. I think the fans, if I'm not wrong, they are fans are Cool Master. Radiator Thermaltake. The reservoir is also Thermaltake. The CPU, the GPU blocks is Thermaltake as well. The CPU block at the back is also Thermaltake. And so far, guys, I'm very happy. Like, I've been running a lot of games pretty much in the ultra settings, and yeah, it works pretty fine. You can see, like, the Windows is already on, and the display, like, at the bottom, like, it's still pretty much the same thing. So this is how I like to keep my the colors of the RGBs. It's pretty much when the operational system is loaded, like, the GPU is gonna change colors according to the temperature. Cold means that is blue, and of course when it's red, it means that it's very hot. So right now he keeps changing colors because the operational system is still loading, but at some point he's gonna turn blue, and he will only change colors if I start to do stuff on my computer, right? So now let me show you the trick of the display at the bottom. You have to deattach that. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes not easy, but there we go. Just a little push here and you pop it out. So then you have this USB cable here where it's connected, so you'd connect that, right? So you can see it's just a normal USB cable. Like, I had to take a little bit off of the protection, because when you try to fit the cable here, you have that thing here where it was like the protection was pretty much not letting me to stick the cable here. I was forcing, and it was popping out like all the time. I thought that was the problem, so I pretty much cut it off. But yeah, it's like the problem is still the same. So you plug that bad boy in, the display will come up, and then it should shows the temperature, which in this case, yeah, it still didn't came up. So yeah, but it should be. Let's try again. So you see it's off, and then you plug that in again. Let's see if it's gonna come up. Yeah, it's still pretty much the same thing. Let me have a look. Maybe there is a software from Thermaltake that needs to be it needs to be open in the computer. Let me have a look. Let me put this guy back in here, and then let me see if the software is open. But now you can see that the GPU is blue, which means that the GPU is in the cold state, and the CPU temperature is now on the screen. But like as I said to you guys, if I turn it off the computer and turn it on again, that default screen it will appear, and it's not going to change, and then you have to unplug and plug the screen. Pretty annoying. I don't keep doing that all the time, but yeah, it is what it is. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, because we are going to be posting more cool stuff. I'll see you later.